morning. Today my topic is about MySQL on Linux. Before knowing about what is MySQL on Linux, we will know about what is MySQL. It is an open source RDBMS in which RDBMS is called as Relational Database Management System, and MySQL is one of the best RDBMS used for the web-based software applications. And MySQL is released under open source license. It is the most powerful in its own right and also work for the large database like which supports up to 50 million rows or more in a table. The default file size limit for a table is 4 GB, but you can increase it to a theoretical value of 8 million terabytes if the operating system can handle it. And it also works on many operating systems and can handle 20 more languages like PHP, Perl, C++, and Java, etc. Coming to what is Relational Database Management System. It is a software that enables you to implement a database with tables, columns, and indexes. Guarantees the referential integrity between rows of various tables, updates the indexes automatically, and interrupts an SQL query and combines information from various tables. And coming to what is database. Database is an application in which storage and retrieval of data is done efficiently. MySQL was first developed, supported, and marketed by MySQL AB company in Swedish, and later followed by Sun Microsystems and Oracle company also. How to establish the connection through SQL to the command prompt, we have a URL called mysql -u root -p with a password. And three major parts of MySQL are DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. Coming to DDL. DDL is called Data Definition Language, which is used for defining the database with tables, fields, triggers, functions, and procedures. And coming to DML, DML is called Data Manipulation Language, which is used for manipulating the data in the database like updating, creating, dropping, truncating, deleting according to the user needs. And coming to DCL, DCL is called Data Control Language, which is used for controlling the database according to the user needs and which supports for saving, granting, and revoking the permissions for particular abstraction of database. And TCL is used for complex problems like transactional database, which is used in banks. Also to know the details like transactions that took place in a particular account like withdrawn time, amount withdrawn, etc. And coming to MySQL on Linux OS, in which Linux is an operating system. LAMP is an open source web development platform that uses Linux as an operating system. Because the platform has 4 layers, LAMP is sometimes referred to as LAMP stack. Stacks can be built on different operating systems. Developers that use these tools with a Windows operating system instead of Linux are said to be WAMP, and with a Mac system is known as MAP, and with a Solaris system is called as SAM. Differences between MySQL in Windows and Linux. In Linux, files created on Linux are case sensitive, but in Windows they are not case sensitive. And Linux uses less resources than Windows, allowing you to save some money on your server. Windows use more resources than Linux, and the performance of PHP and MySQL increases, helping to increase the speed and reliability of a website or application. And Windows is slower at creating files periods. 40 INNO DB tables involves 40 or 50 file creations. Linux also allows for secure shell access, which some feel is superior to Windows Remote Desktop. And data types used in Linux by SQL are char, varchar, date, text, set, enum, float, stop, exit, quit, etc. And data types used in Windows are char, number, varchar, varchar2, date, exit, etc. And coming to the advantages of MySQL in Linux and Windows. As we know, MySQL is free to use open source database that facilitates effective management of database by container-based software. It is stable, reliable, proper solution with advanced features like the following. Data security. As we know today, in the major technology, we have a problem of security of the data. So it is an advantage in the MySQL because it has much security to maintain the data, and it is used for many popular web applications like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Facebook, and Twitter. It also supports for transactional processing that accompany the recent versions of MySQL and can benefit for any business, especially if an e-commerce business that involves frequent money transfers. On-demand scalability. It offers an unmatched scalability to facilitate the management of deeply embedded apps using a similar footprint even in massive warehouses that stacks terabytes of data. And high performance. MySQL features a distinct storage engine framework that facilitates system administrators to configure MySQL database server for the flawless performance. And MySQL is designed to meet even the most demanding applications while ensuring optimum speed, full text indexes, and unique memory caches for enhanced performance. Round the clock update. To know about round-the-clock uptime, it is an assurance of giving that a 24/7 uptime and offer a wide range of high availability solutions with specialized cluster services and master slave replication configurations. Comprehensive transactional support. It is very easy for the transactional support, in which robot transaction database is available on the market, in which the features like complete atomic, consistent, isolated, durable transaction support, multi-version transaction support, and unrestricted row-level locking. It is go-to solution for full data integrity. It guarantees instant deadlock identification through server-enforced referential integrity. Complete workflow control. The average download and installation time being less than 30 minutes, mysql means usability from day one. Whether your platform is Linux, Microsoft, Mac, or Unix. Reduce total cost of ownership. By migrating current database apps to MySQL Enterprise, you are enjoying significant cost saving on new projects. The flexibility of open source. All fears and worries that arise in open source solutions can be brought in with MySQL, round-the-clock support, and enterprise identifications. Coming to disadvantages of MySQL on Linux and Windows. MySQL does not support a very large database size as efficient. MySQL does not support roll, commit, and store procedures in versions less than 5.0. Transactions are not handled very efficiently. Disadvantages like limited compatibility. MySQL is Microsoft SQL Server is only designed to run on Windows-based services. For various reasons, including license cost or security concerns, developer may opt to host their websites on Unix-based systems. And cost. One of the more disadvantages of using MySQL is cost, because for any sort of business, licensing fee is free. For SQL Server 2018, for instance, SQL Server China Edition costs $7,171 per person. The SQL Server Data Center Edition is $54,990 per person, according to Microsoft. For small business and individual running for private website, this is unaffordable. So it is very costly. Improvements on MySQL performance. Performance tuning. Fine tune your app proxy instances to improve the performance of your web application. The database load balancing software is designed to deliver the agility and scalability needed to expand capabilities and meet both unplanned and anticipated performance needs. Security risks. DOS attacks and spamming can wreak havoc on your database services. You can easily prevent performance issues and increase uptime with a robust load balancing software that ensures automatic failover and security updates. Optimizing queries. When websites and applications are poorly coded, no database optimization tools and techniques will come in handy when fixing the server loads. SQL Server load balancing software is one stop solution for maintaining data consistency, increasing performance, reducing service costs, and ensuring continuous availability for an enhanced customer experience. It does everything from running health checks and maintaining high performance to lowering the query wait time and enabling even distributions of load across multiple services. Thank you.